Understanding Recovery Day, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, Recovery Day. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the language, especially in everyday contexts. Let's dive in and demystify this term together. Recovery Day refers to a period of rest and recuperation after a phase of intense activity or stress. This can apply to various scenarios, such as 1. Physical activities, after strenuous exercises, sports events, or physically demanding tasks. 2. Mental exertion, following periods of intense mental work, like exams or critical projects. 3. Health, in the context of recovering from illness or medical procedures. Recovery Day is often used informally. Here are some examples. After a marathon, I'm taking a recovery day tomorrow to rest my legs. In workplaces, let's plan a recovery day after the project deadline. Post-illness, she's on a recovery day following her flu. It's a versatile term that can be adapted to various contexts. Understanding Recovery Day also involves appreciating its cultural significance. It reflects the importance of self-care, acknowledging the need for rest and recuperation, balance, emphasizing a balanced approach to work, health, and well-being. Health awareness, recognizing the importance of physical and mental health. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of a recovery day. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the ideas and cultural practices they represent. Keep exploring and happy learning!